Yeah, hello. I want to show some types of repositories where this is, for example, theme repository. I think this is one of the bad cases because you need to implement a whole repository. The repository is always unique, or the repository is different. This is one of cases of nightmare cases for me, because you have include and then include, where you are including different entities, and you need them only somewhere, not every time, but yeah, only somewhere. And then you have also like auto mappers and mapping, and you have DTOs object, and you need to map the whole included entities into different DTO. And I think this is the most bad decision in design, to have like collections or lists inside DB objects, because mm, this leads to those type of methods, and this is really error prone, and this is uh, maybe this is faster than the than what I will show you then, but it's much complex, and the mm, cognition complexity is really high when you have, for example, many many uh, levels of nesting. And for example, these objects, I want to see this repository. It should be like user repository. So every repository is different. Every repository have different exceptions, and it is this one. Yeah, this is nasty. Uh, Sometimes you want only user. Sometimes you want user with teams. Sometimes not. I think this is not necessary to have all includes here. Maybe yes, maybe not. I don't know. But then you will end with like 5 versions of one method, or you will be including uh, unnecessary stuff into entities even if you don't need it. And I think this is the mm, worst architecture decision, and many people come with it from some courses, and I don't know who teach them, but yeah, this leads to broken design. If you have nested collections inside entities, you are not able, for example, to cache them in Redis or locally, because then you will also have a user with entities. But if you are caching also these entities, this can be like expired, or this is not relevant. So you need only to cache like this data without this company, and like load the company only through this company ID. Yeah, this is then you will end with many repositories, like for example 40. Every repository is unique, and inside every repository you spend like 20 minutes, or 20 minutes here and 20 minutes here, and yeah, every repository is like hour, maybe two of time. And if you have bugs, for example in this is bad, because you have users and users and users and users and users, and every time if you are on the fifth depth, this will cause exception. Yeah, so this is not working properly as it can, and yeah, there are many bad things, and yeah, I have a solution for it, and uh, I will show you it next video. Thank you.